Hello, I want to introduce you to a website that I came across and I learned a little bit about it, and I'm working with a co-founder to see how we can introduce a very specific tailored service to the products that are traded on this website. The website, as you can see from the title here, Smart Options, is allowing you to basically construct an option on a range of products, and I'll show you the products. You choose the time scale, you choose the leverage of the option. It's really unique, it's original, and you choose the amount of money that you are prepared to wage, and there is an automatic stop loss, also a profit loss, and it works very well. The website operates very well. I got a demo account to practice a bit to see how it works. I'm going to show you, and you can also just go to beatlevex.com, and you can open a free account and you get going. I'll show you my account. This is my account. And you see, I got a demo with $1,000 just to see how it works. And I've tried already 3 options I put. And I traded here, I traded a call, I traded a put, I traded a call here. And each time I put $100. The leverage that I chose, just 10. It moves very fast. Believe me, even the 10 is already enough. When you start, you don't want to go more than 10. That's my opinion. And I struck it lucky. As you can see, I had 3 trades and 3 profits here. That's 35%, 100%. That was on Bitcoin. Yeah, B. Do you see Bitcoin? And one of them was Tesla. That's, I think, was Tesla. And the other one I don't remember anymore. Was that's Ethereum potentially. Yeah, that was potentially Ethereum. Also, these trades were very brief. I mean, you go in and you are out very quickly. You can see the purchase time. It's 5:33 on the 22nd of September. By 5:55 I was out. And it's auto sold, meaning I put ahead of time my profit target. It was 35%, and within what is it? You can see it's 22 minutes I was out. This was also auto sold my Bitcoin position. This one took a little bit longer, but also it is within a day. Within a day, what was it? 1 hour and 20 minutes, something like that. 100% profits, 100% profits. And here also very quick. So this is a kind of website that would appeal mainly to people who are super focused, are very interested in entering a position with the degree of risk that they totally control. And I'll show you how you can construct an option. But here, for example, I have an idea that I want to share with you that I think has a very good chance of working out. Here's Ethereum, Ethereum versus US dollar, and he's got a whole list of products that you can buy and sell options on them. He's got Bitcoin, US dollar, Uni US dollar, and stocks. And he's going to add, Michael is going to add in due course other products, gold. You can read more information on the website, and you will see it is going to be quite exciting. They have a range of major stocks here traded in the US. And I will share with you in a different video a situation that I see as very exciting in Alibaba right now, and also in Tesla, with very specific targets and very specific structure. And my idea in general is to go in the direction of creating a specific newsletter on a daily basis that will target the very best opportunity that I see, or let's say 2 or 3 opportunities that I see each day, and I will select the best ones for very short term. Yes, we are targeting, you saw the trades that I did, 20 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. That's enough. You know, you make 35% per day. What's wrong? You make 15% per day. What's the problem? You know, 100%. Who would say anything? You know. So okay, here for example, let's see the chart here focuses on Ethereum, and to the best of my knowledge, what you see here now is a consolidation. If you're interested in cryptos, you already know that Bitcoin, Ethereum, they run up. We have a nice rally, and I'm in the opinion that we're going to have continuation of this rally. We're going to have really an expansion of this rally in the days and weeks to come. But all we are interested in this particular set of conditions that we have with this option is just to shoot for the very short term. And you can trade it very frequently, you see. Right now, I think, in fact, what's happening is that we have a temporary roof here just under 3,500, and we have a support around here at 3,270. I would think that if it drifts lower, and you can also adjust the time scale, you can choose, you know, you can go for different time scales if you want more detail, less detail, etc. I would suggest that that there is a trade here. Should it drift lower towards 3,320 in the next, let's say this is 30 minutes, you see, in the next few hours, it drifts lower towards 3,360, or you see this video tomorrow or in 2 days and it's sitting around here, 3,320, and it goes sideways. It goes sideways. There is obviously an ABC here. Do you see it? ABC? Do you see that? ABC. This is ABC. Do you see it struck a new low? So you have an A. You have a B. It's in the process, in my opinion, of forming a small scale consolidation that will see it almost certainly flying above 3,500. So the idea is that you want to buy a call. You want to buy a call. You want to set up a call. Okay, you want to set up a call. The leverage that I would recommend that you start with is 10. You can even do 2 if you like. If you the less leverage you have, the more room you give yourself to encapsulate a larger range of the price action without necessarily seeing a big loss in the value of your option. You understand? If you go, for example, for 10, if you have a bit of experience in trading leverage products, you can start with 10. I would suggest you start with 10. Don't go above 10, because going into 50, 100, the speed in which these things are moving, it could blow you away. You really have to start small. Do as you feel comfortable, 2, 5, 10, whatever. Okay, so that's how it is. You see, you click on 10, that's your leverage, and then you have to choose time to maturity. So you want 1 month, you want 3 weeks, you want 2 months. The more time you buy, the more expensive it's going to be. It's going to give you, of course, more opportunity to hang on to your option in case it doesn't work out immediately. Yes, so in the case of the 3 options that I traded here, I each time chose 1 month. I think if I remember well, it was 1 month. Each time I chose 1 month. One of them I think was 2 weeks. Yes, and the rest, the other 2, 1 month. Do as you like. You can experiment with that. If you get the demo account, you could you can experiment and see what suits you risk profile, and then you enter the amount. So let's suppose you put $100. Yeah, you put $100. Option premium is 10%, meaning you'll be charged 10% when you enter a trade. Yeah, and you basically buy the option. You buy the option, and what happens is that if you notice, you don't specify a price. You just chose call. But where is the price? Where is the strike price? It is really subtle. The strike price, in essence, is automatic. What happens is that you can't make more than 100% your money. So what's the point of putting a price of, let's say, 4,000 in Ethereum? You're not going to get there. By the time it jumps above 3,480, probably the option will already strike 100% profit. So you don't put a price, a strike price. You basically trade the trend very, very short term. You trade that trend with high leverage with an automatic stop. So you can make 100%, you can lose 100%. You can also cap. You can cap the amount of profits that you make, like I showed you here. And that will be possible after 5 minutes that you put the trade on. Okay, after 5 minutes you put the trade on, you will see that the option will enable you to choose a profit target or loss target. Okay, if you don't put a loss target, I have not experienced a loss here, but Michael told me that it is capped at 100% loss. So when you option basically goes to zero, that's where you are in a way protected. You're not going to lose more money that you put in. Okay, so let's go back to our Ethereum chart, and that is essentially my idea. Now what happens if you are impatient and you jump in now, roughly, let's say 3,400? If you have 1 month on your option, I don't think that it's going to be bad. You just have to wait. You might have to wait. If I'm right in my reading, it might not dip as far as 3,300, might actually hang around here, and you might have to wait, but at certain point it's going to flip above 3,500, and I think that is excellent chance you're going to score. Okay, this is totally up to you. I want to show you actually another analysis of the chart of Ethereum. So I'll share with you my wave count. Okay, here's the wave count that I'm working with, that I work with every day. The big decline that we have seen in Ethereum, this is the 2-hour scale, actually gave us an ABC, and there is a fair chance that that terminated a huge second wave. If that is correct, we're actually on the way to run about 4,000 in due course, and the rally right now is meeting resistance at this level. And as I told you, I think that this is simply a preparation for scaling a higher high once we are done with the correction here. The whole thing could be actually a situation of a 1-2-1-2. That means it is set to run for quite a while. It's set to run, it's going to be persistent push to higher grounds. So that is in essence the idea of this software that I've tried, and again I'm telling you, it's so fast that you should experiment first before you go with real money. Yeah, you should experiment, you should try it out and see what you make out of it. If you have any questions, of course you can address yourself to support on BitLevex, or you can contact me through my website. Yes, you go, especially if you're interested in the newsletter and you want to know a little bit more. In fact, I would love to have your feedback, what you think. If every day you get a list of, let's say, 2, 3, or 5 best opportunities that I see here, and with the structure, of course, with a very detailed wave count, what to expect, let's say, in the next 24 hours. Yeah, it will be that detailed. We'll see from your reactions how to structure it, because there are also possibilities to run intraday updates, but let's not run too far with this. This is essentially the presentation concerning BitLevex and Ethereum versus the US dollar.